Hey guys, it's Minas. Welcome to Fantastic. In this video, I am sharing our trip to Copenhagen, Denmark, which we went in October just after moving here. Again, COVID restrictions have been extended here in Denmark, and we can't wait to travel again and explore this country. In this video, you will see places like Nyhavn, guard changing ceremony in Amalienborg Palace, boat ride, local artists performing at Strigert Street, and glimpse of Copenhagen Museum, Palace Garden, and other places. Please watch till the end to see awesome nerve-wracking local artists performing opera near Nyhavn. So let's get started. But before that, please like, share and subscribe if you enjoy this video. This is Amalienborg Palace, which is made up of four identical buildings. Amalienborg is famous for its royal guards for Denmark's royal family who still resides inside the palace. Every day guard changing ceremony happens here. This ceremony starts from Rosenborg Castle and ends up at Amalienborg, where the changing of the guard takes place at 12 noon every day. We were so excited to see this ceremony, and it was such a great experience watching them live. After watching guard ceremony, we came to Nyhavn. Nyhavn is 17th century's waterfront, canal and entertainment point in Copenhagen, Denmark. It is lined by brightly colored townhouses and bars, cafes and restaurants. This canal harbors have so many historical wooden ships, and canal boat ride is must thing to do when you are in Copenhagen to get an overview of the city. This ride was for an hour. It went by so quickly, and surrounding view was mesmerizing with European architecture. Denmark is also known around the world for its bike culture and happiness index. That's it for today. I will see you in next video. Till then, enjoy this opera performance and please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.
I get goosebumps.
You get goosebumps.